Attention units. We've got reports of a mugging. Additional officers report to Spanish Harlem.
So this is where the party is.
Officers needed to assist civilians trapped in their cars after a crash. Please proceed to Spanish Harlem. Over.
All officers on alert. The kidnapping was just reported. Available officers, move on Yorkville.
Looks like I'm clear, but I gotta be more careful.
Available units, an assault was just reported. Officers needed in East Harlem.
They're so cute when they're in... Okay, let's see what's happening inside. Geronimo! MJ, I'm at the 5th location. Either there's a weird cosplay thing going on, or it's the demons.
Could be both. They need social lives too.
Well, let's see if I can make some new friends. Or enemies.
你觉得不觉得用炸弹继续搜查难呢？
我恐不质疑老大，如果你够聪明，你也不会质疑。
当然不是，我只是说，
你是说，你问了你本分以外的问题。
你说的对，是我想多了。我就是希望你别告诉大哥。
我不会肯定。
Mind me.
我相信，守卫出现漏洞。有其他人，蜘蛛来了。
Why don't you sit this one out? You need some downtime.
险！
录制时候了解一切了。上当了！
蜘蛛侠，上当哪的小怪！
他怎么做到的？
So I think the new guys have to tag the old guys, and they have to go to their corner, no? You asked for it! Say goodnight. Be honest, you were all waiting next door until I thought I'd won just to be me, weren't you?
Peter, it looks like Lee took over a legitimate auto repair business.
Explains where the demons get all their vehicles. Trucks, ambulances.
Exactly. You shut this down, they'll have a tougher time moving around the city unnoticed.
I would hate to see the group text that got you all here. Hold on! Before we start, let me check the maximum occupancy for this place.
他怎么做到了？
MJ, I may have just done the opposite of repair at this repair shop.
Don't worry, I'll get the cops down there. They'll clean things up. That's all the places I could link to Martin Lee. We just made life a lot harder for the demons.
And easier for the DA to build a case against him. Thanks, MJ. I owe you dinner.
Ooh, nice. What price range are we talking about?
Any place you want. That has a dollar menu.
Still beats that time you tried to make dumplings.